creature is now identified. It is reported to be a creature called the Watcher. The Watcher kills people in the most brutal ways possible. If you see him, move quick to a sheltered area. He can teleport. He is 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing 165 pounds. He has a slim build. He is reported with black hoodie and black jogging pants. Wayne County Emergency Management is urging you to evacuate. Evacuate quick. Basic necessities will be provided in the shelters in Akron.